I look happy? Well, I wasn't happy because my teeth looked so horrible until this came in the mail. Pop on Veneers. With this on, now do I look happy? I'm very excited. I'm very happy to be able to smile again. Their service, the quality of their product, I mean, this has transformed my whole life. They have a program where you can pay $29 a month and they will work with you. They are the most wonderful company I ever dealt with in my life. The whole thing took me about 2 weeks. They fit perfectly. I'm not even aware of them. I can eat anything I want to. They've not only restored my confidence in business and in humanity, they've more importantly restored my confidence in myself. Very, very highly recommend the Pop on Veneers. You will not regret it. I promise that.